everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag Jelly Post Card Play Day 20. And this one reminds me of Coda Bear. Because Coda Bear, when he comes here, I bet you that boy takes 3-4 baths. And the only reason is because I have a jet tub. And that I can put a little itty bitty drop of bubble bath in it, and he gets more bubbles. So now I take the bottle out. I don't get as much bubbles. That one day I could hardly see this kid. So when I saw this little bathtub with the boy in, I'm like, yeah, that's my Coda Bear. So what I did is, of course, it's my background, and I went bath time, and I have some of these, the flower, and then these I just kind of put white dots with blue over it, kind of to represent the bubbles. And then this little baby crawling. Coda was a crawler. He liked to crawl. So this is my Coda Bear one. I had each, like the girls each had their kind of one, and had to make one for Coda. So thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, go check out hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. And it's hosted by Jerry Gerson. Let's add this to the box. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.